Hello everyone. So today we are going to cover about the highlights of this course. This course is on Microsoft SQL and we'll be covering from basics to advanced level. Before we proceed further, I would just like to introduce myself. I have 15 years of experience in Microsoft SQL. Yes, you heard right, 15 years. So I know basically how the things come in IT projects right from scratch, how you should do the analysis, how then it has to go through development, what are your expectations. So in IT projects your expectation is you get just the task and your expectation is just to reply as done. That is what is the high level expectations. That means you should have that capability to work independently, and that is when you would make a good impact, okay, on your managers, supervisors. In turn, you will get good promotions and good appraisals, right? So that is the whole roadmap. So this course will help you in that. You'd be able to perform the development in Microsoft SQL without anyone's help. Okay. So this course will cover from the basics to advanced, and even a school going student also can learn it. Yeah, that's true, because we'll be covering it from so basic level. So let's just go with the very high level highlights of this course. So we'll be starting with SQL basics, like what is database, how it is created, how tables are created, and performing different operations like insert, update, and delete. Then we'll switch to joins, how the two tables are joined, how we can get the data from multiple tables, and depending on your requirements, right, which join to use. So there would be a lot of hands-on that we'll be covering. We'll be also covering stored procedures, views, functions. Stored procedures, they are like backbone. You cannot perform a development without a stored procedures. They are so important. So we'll go into each and every detail on that. Okay. Then we will be covering different looping techniques like cursors, while loop, and all, and their implementations. And we'll also use pivot and merge. These are some of the advanced concepts that we will be covering. And most important, indexes. They are used to speed up the performance. And what is the USP of this course? What is the unique selling point of this course? You would be having a question. There are so many courses on Google, YouTube, Udemy. Why should I go for this course, right? So the answer is, if I would have to explain this scenario, what I would say is, see, if you observe today in Google and YouTube, everything is there, right? But can a doctor or can a medical student perform a surgery just learning from Google and YouTube? Is it possible? I'm sure answer would be no, right? So there are some things where you need, experts guidance. So that is when we come in. And this course basically will help you in becoming independent. And most important, you would be able to perform your daily activities in your live projects without anyone help. And not only that, you would be able to perform it much more efficiently. You would be able to write efficient code. This is what is expected from a top performer. If you are able to get that, trust me, no one can stop you from getting a good appraisal, from getting a good promotions. So are you ready for your successful career? I'm sure answer would be yes. So let's start with the course and see you soon there.